कोई निकाल देखो
पुलिस कंप्लेंट केला
ना रे
चोर मगो वेले ना चोर मोस्ते जाले
एकला गेटीकडे राहिला पळत झाडाकडे
देखने को टाइम कितना होता था ना
10 काढली याचा पळत पळत घेऊन येता होते लागलं
कितले या बस म्हटल्यार सकाळी एकल्यान फोन केला आमकां की उदक व्हांवता म्हणून उदक व्हांवता म्हणून वचून पळयता जाल्यार थंय सुद्दां मिटरूच ना मिटर काडलेलो आहा आनी मिटर काडलो म्हणून आतां पुलीस कंप्लेंट करपाक येयला जाल्यार हांगा पळयता जाल्यार हांगा आनीक चोरलेले खबर कळ्ळा
मग तुम्ही सीसीटीव्ही कॅमेरा काय ना
सीसीटीव्ही कॅमेरा आहा मात तो मिटर खंय थंय फोकस करना सीसीटीव्ही कॅमेरा
केन्ना म्हणून जाली चोरी
चोरी आयज सकाळी कळ्ळें म्हणजे चोरी केन्ना जाली ती खबर ना आमकां आयज सकाळी आमकां 4 सुमार कळ्ळें हें जालां म्हणून आतां चोरलो मिटर तो केन्ना खबर ना ते टाकयेंतले उदक जाल्यार ते यूज करताले आतां चोरलो केन्ना हेतून मेळना आमकां
4 सुमार कळ्ळो मिटर आमचो चोरी जाला म्हणून आमच्या रेंटाक रावता तेणी आमकां सांगलो म्हणल्यार पायपांतल्यान गळटा म्हणून हांवें फोन केलो मिस्टराक वचून चॅक केलो जाल्यार कळ्ळें की मिटरूच ना थंयसर म्हणून मागीर आमी डिस्ट्रिक्ट कॅब मारून आतां दवरला पुलीस कंप्लेंट दिवंक गेल्ली आमी
केन्ना खबर ना केन्ना चोरी
ना केन्ना जालें तें कळोंक ना
Yesterday, one Maria Rodriguez, residents of Mangur, appeared at the police station and lodged her complaint that when she had gone to her mother's house at New Vaddem, she found the water meter of the house is missing. So accordingly, she checked the CCTV footages and she found that two persons are near that water meter and they are trying to remove the said water meters. So accordingly, she appeared at the police station and lodged her complaint. And we registered her complaint under section 426, 379, read with 34, and section 3 of PDPP Act because it is installed by the PWD. So after registration of crime, I briefed my staff regarding the said incident. And it was also mentioned by the complainant that there are many other water meters which are stolen from the neighboring places. So accordingly, I briefed my intelligence staff and officers and instructed to trace the accused persons as per the description on the CCTV. So while my officers and intelligence staff was on the job of tracing the accused, so they received information from the sources about one person. So accordingly, they taken the custody of the said person, namely Raju Pawar, alias Salunke, age 21 years, residence of New Vaddem, Vasco. And he was brought at the police station. He was thoroughly interrogated in this crime, and during the interrogation he admitted about the crime and confessed the crime. So further, we recovered 7 water meters at the instance of the said accused. So presently the accused is in police custody and our further interrogation is in progress to find out the remaining accused because there were 2 accused who were seen on the CCTV footages. So our further investigation is in progress.